Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 7 reasons why I believe Viddle is better than Vimeo. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Now, what are the 7 reasons why I love Viddle over Vimeo? Well, let me start by saying that with Viddle, it's a much lighter program. It's much smaller. As you can see, we'll just go back to the home section, and as you can see from here, it's a very light program, sort of similar to YouTube in a way, and it's very easy, it's very light, very quick to upload, and it doesn't take long for the videos to come through. And once the videos do come through, you can then embed them onto any site you want, and that's really cool. Whereas Vimeo, being such a monster of a program, and I've been using Vimeo for years. I mean, for example, let me just go back for one space. In this particular folder, I've got 151 videos. This one has 10, this one's got 14, 7, 10. So as you can see, there's quite a few videos here. And I'll continue to use Vimeo if I want, when I want to. But you know, I can have a quick look through here just to show you the sort of things I've got in here. And we can scroll through, talking about table of contents and the various other things that are here. And you can see I've got a lot of videos. And a lot of these videos are really full on. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That was before I had a beard. And I was a lot fatter. Oh my gosh, yes. Look how round that face was. And yeah, go through, you can have a look at that. Oh yes, I remember all those days. Yeah, alright, so I'm not going to reminisce on that now. It's not the time to reminisce. So anyway, there's some of my videos. So with that, we'll now have a look at reason number 2. Now, reason number 2 really is based on reason number 1. Reason number 1 was it's a much easier interface. Reason number 2 is because it's a much lighter interface, it's a much faster upload time. So people can be watching the video on your website much faster than what they could if it was Vimeo. With Vimeo, it can actually have a bit of a time lag. Sometimes it takes a bit longer to upload than it should do. And because of that reason, it can be a little bit laggy. But outside of that reason, Viddle is a really good reason for watching it. You can adjust the size of it, you can embed it. And the embedding is, you've got so many options with the embedding. It's amazing. So let's go over here to video. We'll just choose one of these videos here. This one will do, the latest one I've just uploaded. So we'll just pause this one for 1 second. And we can improve the quality by just going here. 1080. Now remembering this is full size and it is massive. So let's go down. To do this, all we have to do is go here to share. And we can go to embed and have a look at all the options you've got here. These are very similar options to what you get in Vimeo. So you've got autoplay, you can repeat at the end, you can mute playback, which I would suggest you do if you wanted to autoplay it. You can show the share button, or you can allow context menu if you want to. You can also show video title and author, which I would normally remove. I would normally put that there, and I would normally put that there. I like to show the buttons so people can scroll back if they want to. If they miss something, it allows them to be able to scroll back and see what's going on. So this is a much lighter interface. However, and because of that reason, it is a much faster one to upload onto your website, and it's much faster for a person to watch. Whereas these ones can be a bit slow and maybe just a little bit laggy, especially on busy times. When these are really busy, when there's a lot of people watching videos from this platform, and they do have millions of users, when you've got lots of people using this platform, then it does tend to slow your videos down a bit. Whereas there are not as many people using this one, so your videos are going to upload much faster, and they're going to play so much quicker. So let's go to reason number 3. Reason number 3 is because with Viddle, you can actually monetize your videos straight away. Now with Viddle, you can have what's called the agency license, which means you can literally set up a username, a user account for a client, and you can be charging them on a monthly basis or a yearly basis to use your services. So if you were to say, for example, go unlimited, then you could be charging them on a monthly basis to get as many videos as they want on the system. And you can literally become like YouTube themselves. So you can literally become YouTube if you get the unlimited agency license. So yeah, if that's the way you want to go, you can do that too. Reason number 4 is you can actually upload from YouTube into Viddle. Whereas in Vimeo, I don't think you can do that. I don't think you can upload from YouTube to Vimeo. I don't believe you can. I've never thought about doing that. But as far as I'm aware, you can't upload from YouTube to Vimeo. Whereas you can upload from YouTube and Vimeo to Viddle. So if I wanted to, say for example, save my 151 videos from Vimeo and put them into Viddle, I could do that. Whereas Vimeo, on the other hand, I believe is just Vimeo and no one else. You can't upload from Amazon or from YouTube or anywhere else and put that into Vimeo. You can only upload into Vimeo from your own personal videos. Reason number 5 is it has its own screen capture software. Now, a lot of people are unaware that actually so does Vimeo. You can actually record from Vimeo your own screen capture software, and you can do in screen like what I'm doing here, with I'm in the corner, down the bottom corner here. But if I was to use my Viddle agency or my Viddle account, I can literally record straight from my channel if I want to. Let's go here. I can screen record if I want to, or I can record my camera or whatever I want to do. So I can import and export. I can screen record as well as record just my camera alone if I want to. So, and Vimeo has that, but I have to understand that Viddle started with this. It opened its doors with that available. Whereas I don't believe Vimeo had that all the time. I believe that's only a fairly recent addition. Now, reason number 6, Viddle has excellent privacy. Now, one of the reasons I loved Vimeo was I could put my videos into a membership site, which made it exclusive to just them. And you can upload them anywhere you want. Yeah, people can't just share them all around the web, especially if they're part of a membership site. Now, if you have a membership site, you don't want your videos being shared all over the place because you want it to be exclusive access to just your clients. That's why you have a membership site, because it's exclusive to them alone. And you also have the exact same functions in Viddle. And as I said, it's a lighter program, so therefore it doesn't take as long to upload. Reason number 7 why I believe Viddle is a better option than Vimeo is because of the price. Let me give you an example. Over here in Vimeo, if you were to look at the upgraded price for Vimeo, this is the one I'm on, which is $9 a month. Whereas if you work that out, that's $108 a year. And that's Australian dollars, but still, that's $108 a year that I would have to pay to be able to keep this one going, which I'll keep going because I have hundreds of videos in there. But it's $108 a year. Whereas Viddle, on the other hand, if you were to decide to get the personal one, it's costing you $47.49, a one-time payment, and there you get your video creation hosting, which is great, but you only get to host up to 20 videos, which is a shame because seriously, that's not a lot of videos. You can import videos from YouTube and Vimeo, no API needed, screencast, you can do all the other things until you get down to this point here. You can't add a call to action, you can't monetize it because it's not the agency license. It doesn't give you the 7 color schemes. It doesn't allow you to disable the downloads, which is a problem if you don't want people to share it all over the web. You can't set the video premiere countdown timer, and you can't. It's not ultra fast virtual reality 365. You don't have that, and you're missing a couple of the bonuses. Whereas if you start with, and that's the personal one at $47.49, one-time payment. Whereas if you go for the agency license for $97, it's a one-time payment. And the best part about that is you can get it one-time payment, and you get full rights to get high-speed hosting for up to 200 videos. Now, I'm on Vimeo. I've been doing it for years, and I've still got less than 200 videos. Now, you can import videos from YouTube and Vimeo. You can screencast your videos. You can picture-in-picture recordings, webcam video recording, 300 gigabytes of storage, 500 gigabytes of bandwidth, 30 video playlists, 30 channels, create and edit time codes, add video, drag and drop video uploads. You can go through all of this if you want to. You can monetize your videos, which is really, really worth it. You can get your 7 theme colors so you can make it unique to you. So if you have a membership site that's, say, orange, you can make it orange. Or you have a membership site that's blue, you can make it blue. Or red, whatever color your membership site happens to be, you can make it to that particular color. And of course, they also give you other bonuses as well. Ordinarily, it's priced at $197, but you can get it for $97. By the way, I do have a link down below for this one, and if you use the product code agency, you can get $20 off, which brings it down to $77, which makes it even better value for you. How good is that? And so it's a one-time payment for only $77. That is brilliant. And the link is in the description down below. Whereas, as you saw, their lowest plan doesn't have a discount, and it's costing me $108 a year to go for Vimeo. So, is Viddle a better option to Vimeo? I believe it is. I fully believe that Viddle agency is a far better option than Vimeo. Even though Vimeo, and now if you were to go up to this one, 3 team members, and you were to go $24 a month, billed annually, let's work out that. That's a lot of money. It's 24 by 12. It's $288 a year. That's a heck of a lot of money. And to be perfectly honest, it's a little bit slow comparatively. So to be quite honest, Viddle versus Vimeo, well, Viddle wins. The number one reason is the cost of it. For only $77 with using the link down below and the product code, you can be getting it for only $77. Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and if you like this video, why not consider sharing? And also, why not leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.